How's it going, folks? Here we are, beautiful day. We are at Lake Don Pedro, beautiful Central California. It's September, coming October approaching, and we are ready to enjoy what's left of the season. Got the nice raft right here, electric motor, got the brother on hand, rocking the solar panel. So I got the 100-watt panel on top. That's a, what is it? Sun power panel. I'm gonna go explore the rest of the inlet here. There's a little no wake zone. That's perfect for us. We got our campsite set up, so stay tuned. Action. Hello, this is our campsite right here. I got my tent. Got my brother's tent. I got this nice little easy up at Walmart. We're trying to keep our stuff here out of the mud. And so we're gonna warm up a little snacker here. So I got my pan here, a little bit of oil already in that. Sorry, I didn't show you that. Wait. Oh, here's the meat. Okay, so what we're gonna have is a little snacker of the buffalo style chicken wings, courtesy of Walmart. So, go ahead and get this sucker open for this action. We're just gonna do a little fry action. I'll move that oil around a little in a second. Dang, all drumsticks. What's the deal, Walmart? No flats? Oh, there's the first flat. We're eating a lot of drumsticks tonight, folks. It's about good. Is that the whole bag? No. Pretty close? Yeah, about half, actually. Nice. Yes, we got about half left. All right, so we'll let that do its thing and stay tuned. Got the first batch ready to go. Ready to throw on batch number 2. Wow. Incredible. That's mixed up. There's all the flats right there. I can't believe you. How the hell am I gonna make crisp fries like this? All right, so now I'm gonna cook some Spanish rice for our dinner. We're making burritos tonight, so this is one of the ingredients. And stay tuned, we'll show you some more. We'll start with 2 cups of water here. There. Got a little level line right there. 2. In other news, I just got bit by a bee. Wearing right there, I was able to pretty much pull the stinger out, rip to the bee. I'm sorry, bro. I thought you were a fly. I just kind of pushed it away, and sure enough, it just lodged into me. But ooh, it's got a little frisky feeling. See how it goes. But in other news, this is starting to boil. And once it gets raging, I'll turn it down and put that lid on there. That's nice rice. Get an actual camera, it's a little easier. I put the recorder already for you. Okay, put this lid on gently. And turn this guy down. Yep, that's it. Wait 7 minutes. Where were you at? Lake Don Pedro, right outside Merced, California, in Tuolumne County. I think I'm saying that right. Yeah, we got some steaks. Got a beautiful night. So nice. Here's an overview of my boat here. Got the solar panel here on the side because I was trying to catch some sunset rays. I got an Enduramax 55 thrust trolling motor. Here's my battery. It's just an Everstart basic battery from Walmart. Let's see what my voltage is. 12.4. Hopefully I'm able to get that up in the morning. Custom painted these seats. Got the nice bimini top. There's our camp right up there. If you look, this spot is just like perfect. I mean, the perfect reflection, perfect atmosphere. Look at the moon. It's beautiful. Doing all of it. New York State, baby. USDA. USDA Prime. unplug the USDA. Grill router. Yeah, there we go. Oh, little snacker piece.
You want to hit?
Yeah.
How do you want to hit? You want an actor? You want...
Yeah, give me the actor.
Which one you said? You said actor?
Yeah, actor. Ah, as the main character.
You don't put me.
I was trying to slip that in there.
Whoa!
That looks incredible. All right, burrito time, USA. That got a little warm. Some steak. We're going carnivore style because we're camping. We're gonna
California burrito, surf and turf.
So, how hot is this? It's pretty hot. Hot. Do some shrimp. Ah! We got saved,
One
folks.
for the homies.
We got saved. No, we're good. We're good. Okay, do some shrimp like that. Decent amount. That guy down. Some fritas.
That's how we do it in San Diego.
A little handful of those guys.
California burrito.
A little touch of lime. And last but not least, this homemade salsa my brother made.
Oh, do you want avocado?
Nah, it's okay. I'm just gonna do a dab of that. I don't like too much sauce anyways.
Okay.
Then get it like this. Roll it.
Keyword Chipotle. Yeah, perfect burrito. Look at that.
Let it the bottom seal. Good morning. Got the solar panel flipped over to the left-hand side here. Putting in a good 2.8 volts. Water level dropped a few inches overnight. Beautiful. Starting to get camp cleaned up a little bit, making some coffee. All right, we're leaving our campsite, and if you look, our friends paid us a visit this morning. Cows on pasture.
Mad cow's disease.
We couldn't find them last night. They were hiding somewhere, sleeping, or who knows what they were doing, but there's our campsite. You can't see it because we leave no trace.
Wait, do cows lay down or do they sleep standing up?
I think sometimes both.